Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are enjoying a lot. Students, I am your math teacher. So, once again, I am going to teach you math. So, let's start your math book and your rough copy. Okay, why rough copy? What is the reason to bring your rough copy? There is a reason that before doing any field work, you can practice in the rough copy, and after that, you can write everything in a very good handwriting in your field copy. Okay, so now let's start. See students, here I am going to continue with the same chapter, which is chapter number 6. And what is the name of your chapter? The name of your chapter is multiplication. We were learning multiplication. This is the sign of multiplication. Two slanting lines, those are crossing each other. Okay, so let's start. This is page number 60, which we are going to do today. Which page number, my dear students? Yes, of course, page number 60 is given, so you have to do page number 60. So फटाफट से ओपन कीजिए जिसने अभी तक नहीं ओपन किया है. Hurry up, hurry up, quick everyone. Now open your page number 60. See students, this is page number 60. I have opened in your book. Okay, so this is the first exercise of your page number 60. So here it is written, fill in the products without looking at the tables. So you have to complete all these products and you have to write the products. Means what is the meaning of products here? Product means answer. What is the meaning of products here? Product means answer. As I told you, whenever you are multiplying or doing some sums in multiplication, that time whatever answer you are getting, that answer is called product. Okay. So now start. What is this? This is question number 1. What is this? This is question number 1, or you can say A. So question number A is given as 6 multiply 8 is equal to what? These are the box which is given here in your book. See, I have written everything from your book. Nothing is out of from your book. आपकी book से बाहर कुछ भी नहीं है. सब कुछ book में से है. We will learn each and everything from the book, but with different methods. Okay? हम सब कुछ book में से पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन different methods से पढ़ेंगे. So now start solving first question with so many methods. Okay? So those who are sleeping, please go and wash your face so that you can learn it with full attention. Okay. See, this is question number A, 6 multiply 8. Then how to do 6 multiply 8? Those who know the tables from 2 to 10, they can do very well. Those who know the tables from 2 to 10, yeah, of course they can do very well and without any confusion and without any problem. But those who have not learned the tables, so what to do? We have some idea. Okay, जिससे टेबल लर्न है वो तो फटाफट से मैं आपको आंसर करके दिखा देगा. लेकिन क्वेश्चन ये है कि जिसको लर्न नहीं है वो क्या करेगा? It's okay, no problem. You can learn your table afterwards, but before doing this one, we will learn some methods. Okay? Then how to solve all these questions with different methods. With different method. Suppose आप टेबल भूल गए तो फिर क्या करोगे? When I was teaching you this chapter multiplication, I taught you 3 properties. What was that properties? There were 3 properties of solving your all these sums. First was repeated addition. Repeated addition, and the second was skip counting. What was the second was? Second was skip counting. Did you understand? Tell me, yes or no? And what was the third one? Third one, which we were doing with the help of sticks. Okay, vertical stick and horizontal stick. Yes, we were keeping or not? We were drawing first of all vertical and horizontal sticks. Then we were adding some dots, and then we were doing our multiplication. So with the help of all that 3 formulas, we can solve any question with any formula. Okay, because at the last we will get same product. Last में हमें product same मिलेगा. No changes at all in the products. आप method कोई भी लगाइए, you will get the same products. Okay, so start. 6 8 first of all, we will apply first method of tables. जिसे टेबल लाइन है वो जल्दी से मुझे बताया. What is 6 8 So let's start. See, I am writing here 6 1 6. Sorry. 6 1 जा 6, then 6 2 जा 12, then 6 3 जा, what is 6 3 जा 18, what is 6 4 जा, tell me what is 6 4 जा 24, very good. Then what is 6 5 जा, what is 6 5 जा, tell me first. Yes, some are saying correct answer 30. Then what is 6 6 जा, what is 6 6 जा, tell me first. Yes, 6 6 जा 36. Then what is 6 7 जा, tell me first. Yes, very good, clap for yourself, those who are giving answer, very good, very well done, good, keep it up. 6 7 जा, tell me 42. And then 6 8 जा, what is 6 8 जा, tell me first, because we have to do 6 8 जा. I'll see that who is going to give me answer very fast and very quickly. Yes, that is 48. So what is your answer? Your answer is 48. So which answer we have to write here? We have to write here 48. 6 8 are 48. Okay. So did you understand what is our first? Did you understand what is our first formula of solving our question? Did you understand? Yes. Or we can apply another method. Okay. So let me erase it. चलो जल्दी erase कर दो. That is why I told that please keep your rough copy with you. Okay. Rough copy में क्या करते हैं, हम बार-बार कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? Suppose I am having board, so I can erase it. If you don't have board, then what to do? You can write in your rough copy all the work. Rough copy में rough work करेंगे, fair में हम fair करेंगे. Okay? So first question is done. और आप first question को चलिए हम question number B को दूसरे method से करते हैं. With the second method. See, 7 7 से you have to write. Suppose you don't know the table of 7, then how to do? You can draw 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 plus 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 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 plus. So how many times we have written 7? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and 7 7 ja, so we have written 7 times. Yes or no? So now you have to write is equal to 2. Then start counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 46 47 48 49. I have drawn some extra line. That is 7 7s are. What is 7 7s are? 7 7s are 49 lines are there. How many lines are there? How many lines are there, students? Tell me. 49 lines are there. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, और you can do like this. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus. You have to write 7 times. 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is equal to. Then you can add. If you will add 7 7 times, then you will get same answer 49. So what is your answer? Your answer is 49. 7 7 is what? 7 7 is 49. And then tell me what is 9 6 are. See, here it is written in your book and you have to fill in the blanks. You have to do it in the book. आप सबको इसको book में करना है. जो अच्छे बच्चे वो फटाफट से कर लेंगे. So now tell me how to do 9 6 are. What is 9 6 are? Is there any need to write the tables? टेबल लिखने की जरूरत है? नहीं. चलो फटाफट से टेबल पढ़ते हैं. 9 में 9, 9 2 18, 9 3 होता जल्दी जल्दी. हरी हरी. 9 3 27. Then 9 4 what is 9 4 36. What is 9 5 45. What is 9 6 Tell me. 56. Sorry, 54. 9 6 54. We will write table here. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 18, 9 3 27, 9 4 36, 9 5 45, and 9 6 Tell me what is 9 exam? 54. Got it or not? So our answer is correct. Yes or no? Those who have done, please clap for yourself. फटाफट से clap करेंगे. जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. Yes. Then tell me what is the answer of this question? Question number D. What is the answer? 8 tens are. It is very simple, very common. 8 tens are 80. So you can write 80 directly. Yes. Can you write? Yes, you can write. Then tell me what is 8 nines are. Tell me first. That is 72. Now I am going to read the table. I am going to write the answer correct directly. ठीक है? Okay, no problem. Because here I taught you the methods that how can you do this one. All right. And another methods you know it very well because I taught you in previous video. So here you have to do directly. Then 8 nines are 72. Then 7 nines are. Tell me 63. What is 7 nines are? 63. Then 6 tens are very easy. 6 tens are 60. What is 7 eights are? Tell me everyone. Read the table of 7. फटाफट से read. Hurry up, quick. Hurry up and do it fast. Yes, 56. Correct answer. What is your answer? Your answer is 56. अब जिसने टेबल नहीं लर्न की है सुनो ध्यान से. अच्छे प्यारे बच्चों. By today only you have to learn your table from 2 to 10. आज के आज जैसे आप वीडियो देखेंगे जिसने टेबल नहीं लर्न की है वो टेबल अच्छे से लर्न करेगा. ओके. So 7 8s are. What is 7 8s are? 7 8s are 56. Then 6 9s are. Tell me what is 6 9s are? Tell me. What? 54. Yes, 54. So this answer we have completed today, which you have to do in your book with the date of today. Means you have to write 30/9/2020. This is the date of today when I am teaching you this one. And after watching this video, you have to solve all this question in your rough copy first of all. Okay, with lines, with using tables, with using skip counting, with using means you can apply any methods. You know so many methods. You can apply any methods here. So it's enough for today. Bye bye. Take care. Bye everyone.